Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're an existing subscriber, I appreciate you. If you're a new subscriber, you're welcome. So basically today I'm going to be taking you to one of Guangdong's hidden gems. This is Huizhou's West Lake. Now basically it is known as one of China's top scenic spots. And this stunning location is a blend of natural beauty and ancient culture. From its scenery water and lush greenery to its iconic bridges, Huizhou West Lake is more than just a place to visit. It's a journey through time and tranquility. Stick around with me as we explore its highlights and uncover the stories that make this place so special. Let's get started. This lake is not just a lake. It's a place where ancient history and breathtaking landscapes come together. Now, the history of Huizhou West Lake dates back over 1,000 years. It was famously celebrated by Su Dongpo, a renowned poet and a statesman during the Song dynasty. His poems immortalized the lake, earning its recognition as one of the 4 famous lakes of China, alongside Hangzhou's West Lake. Now, Huizhou West Lake has been the source of inspiration for countless artists and poets. And when you're here, it's easy to see why. The atmosphere and stunning views feel like stepping into a traditional Chinese painting. So at this point, I was trying to capture some drone footage. And the drone I'm using is DJI Mini 3, just in case you're wondering. And if you want to see how I got this drone and how much I got it for in Huaqian Bay, I will leave the link in the description to that video so you can have a look. Now, I'd say the best time to visit Huizhou West Lake is during spring or autumn, when the weather is mild and the scenery is at its most vibrant. If you're lucky, you might even catch the lake shrouded in a magical morning mist. Every season here has its own charm, of course, but spring is truly something special, with its blooming flowers adding bursts of color to the landscape. Now, the lake covers an area of over 20 square kilometers with 5 interconnected lakes and 6 unique bridges. If you're planning a trip, I recommend you arrive early in the morning to beat the crowds and enjoy the lake at its most peaceful. Because if you don't and you choose to go on a late hour, a lot of people would have already made it there, and trust me, it is a lot of work. It's even worse during holidays. Now basically, the Huizhou West Lake is not just about sightseeing. Well, there are also a couple of things you can do there. For example, you can go cycling, you can also rent a boat. But I think personally I enjoy the boat rides, as you're able to just soak in the vibes right there on the lake. So I actually stayed till the evening just to have a better look at what the place looks like once it's dark. Another thing I know about the Chinese is they would always put lights where they feel like it's gonna look good at night, and they're really, really good at that. Like, they would literally find a place where there's a design. You can even just have a look at these streets, how they rock them with the lights. Like this is just a consistent thing here in China as well. So this is the night version of West Lake. So enjoy. Huizhou West Lake is truly a hidden gem in Guangdong, offering a perfect escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. Whether you're here for history, the scenery, or just to relax, it's a destination you won't forget. Thanks for joining me on this adventure. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel adventures. Until next time, see you on the next journey.